In today's video, I'm going to teach you the importance of creating custom views for sales pipeline. To get started, sign into your Monday.com account and head into your CRM workspace. From there, open your sales pipeline board. This is where your team tracks deals, stages, ownership, values, and timelines, so it's the perfect place to build views that make your pipeline easier to understand at a glance. Once you're inside the sales pipeline, click the plus icon to add a new view. In Monday.com, views are different ways of looking at the same board data. Instead of changing the information itself, a view changes how that information is displayed, helping different team members focus on what matters most to them. First, choose Table View. This is the most familiar and structured format, showing your pipeline in rows and columns. It's ideal when you want a detailed, organized overview and need to quickly sort, filter, or update deal information. Next, open the Activity Analytics view. This view helps you track sales activity and performance patterns more clearly. It's useful for understanding how much engagement is happening across deals and where follow-up activity may be needed. Then take a look at the Forecasting view. This feature is especially helpful for estimating future revenue based on the deals currently in your pipeline. It gives sales managers a clearer picture of expected outcomes and helps with planning ahead. After that, explore the Gantt view. This view lays out your items along a timeline, making it easier to see deadlines, durations, and overlaps. It's a practical option if your sales process includes time-based milestones or coordinated follow-ups. Now move to the Chart view. This feature turns your pipeline data into visual charts, making trends easier to spot. It's great for presentations, quick performance reviews, or identifying bottlenecks in your process. You can also use the Calendar view, which places your items on a calendar based on date fields. This is helpful for tracking meetings, expected close dates, or scheduled activities in a more time-oriented layout. Next is the Kanban view. This is one of the most intuitive ways to manage a sales pipeline because it organizes deals into columns by stage. It gives you a clear visual of movement through the pipeline and makes drag-and-drop updates simple. Then there's the File Gallery view, which displays files attached to your items in one visual space. This is useful when your team works with proposals, contracts, or supporting documents and wants quick access without opening each deal individually. After that, check out the Form view. This allows you to collect information in a structured way and send it directly into your board, which can be useful for capturing leads or internal requests. Finally, open the Dashboard. A dashboard brings together key widgets, metrics, and board data into one high-level view. It helps teams monitor performance, track progress, and make better decisions using real-time insights from the pipeline. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.